He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Uh, Happy Juneteenth. Today is the Juneteenth holiday, which officially marked the end of slavery in the United States. Uh, Today, we're just going to do a little cookout. I'm cooking some ribs today. I'm cooking 3 slabs. I'm going to give a couple slabs to my neighbor next door since they do so much for us when we're out of town. And so hopefully they come out fantastic. All right, today we're going to be cooking on the Char-griller. We have some royal oak lump charcoal in here, and I'm going to put a piece of peach wood down in the ash pan, and we're going to get it started. Okay, I'll tell you more about the ribs and how we season them as I'm putting them on the smoker. So the ribs are already are cut down to St. Louis style. They're already seasoned, and we use mustard as a binder. And we're up at 244 degrees, so we're going to be cooking around 240 to 245 degrees today. And then we're going to be spritzing. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys in the smoke. All right, guys, here's our 3 slabs of ribs. They've been sitting out for about 45 minutes now, soaking up some, with the rub soaking up some moisture. So we're going to go ahead and get them on the smoker. All right, we're at 240 degrees. See if I can get these to fit this way. I'll stand in. And we'll put them down on this end of the smoker away from the heat so that nothing will cook too fast. And like I said, this is just a combination of my 5-spice rub with an additional spice of reaper dust from Frag Out Flavor to give it some heat. You can use cayenne pepper, but I'll put the ingredients up here on the screen and the description block so that you can try it yourself. All right, that's it. So we'll close the lid and we'll come back and check in about an hour, hour and a half. All right, guys. So our ribs have been on for about 2.5 hours. Really looking good. Go ahead and spritz this. We are spritzing these with a combination of water, Worcestershire sauce, and soy sauce. Okay, not that much. Probably about 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I don't want to make them too salty. Maintain some heat. All right. These are looking pretty good. So we're going to be wrapping these bad boys soon. All right. Give it another half an hour to 45 minutes. All right, guys. I was going to wrap, but I changed my mind. I'm going to. These are looking really good. They got some good pullback on it. They've been on here for about 3.5 hours. So we're just going to go ahead and start glazing these and let them run its course. All right, so what we got here is some sugar-free G. Hughes sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. And what I did was I took this barbecue sauce and added some water to it to thin it out because I wanted more of a glaze and not as a sauce. So we just want to put a thin layer on this. We're going to let these go for another 15-20 minutes or so. We're going to glaze them once again. So that's the back side. Flip it over. Normally I would have wrapped to try to keep the color, but I like the color they're showing right now. There we go. Hopefully I have enough glaze. gonna have to make a second bowl of this. All right. Hopefully my neighbors like this. All right, so we're gonna make another bowl of glaze. We're gonna let these go for about 15, 20 minutes or so. We'll come back and we'll put a second coat on them. They should be about ready, so hang around. All right, guys, so it's been 4.5 hours, 4 hours and 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get these off of here. And these look fantastic. Can't wait to taste them. I'm gonna cut into this one slab here before I take the other two off. The other two is from my neighbor. So let's go ahead and slice into this one and see what we got. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this. Man, it looks fantastic. Hopefully it tastes as well as it looks. Let's go ahead and turn this over. Find us the bone in the middle. Ooh, beautiful, 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 beautiful smoke ring. Yep. All right, let's go and have a taste test. Man, this smells fantastic. So remember what we used our original 5-spice rub on this, and then we added a little bit of heat with Frag Out Flavors Reaper Dust, okay? And you can use cayenne pepper like I mentioned earlier. And then we spritzed these with Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and water. And then at the end, we did a light glaze of G. Hughes's sweet and spicy sugar-free barbecue sauce. All right, let's see what we got here. First of all, let me just say the Char-griller did a fantastic job of putting some smoke flavor on these ribs, okay? We didn't have the peach wood because the peach wood was wet, so I had to wind up using cherry, which was fine because it put a nice color on this and a mild smoke flavor, okay? The sweet and spicy glaze is really good. It's not so heavy like a sauce, so you get a tang of sweetness and a tang of spiciness, and the rub just balance it all out. And the ribs are tender too. Look at that. Bite clean through from the bone. Well, that's about it. Hey, thanks for joining us today. If you got any questions, hey, hit me up in the comments block. We love to hear from you, okay? And hey, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps out with our YouTube algorithm, okay? Hey, so have a happy Juneteenth. And like we always say, where the smoke there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. As always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.